All right, quick reminder. All what we have done concerning continuity test, like we turning it to the buzzer position whilst we were checking, whilst we were checking continuity all over. These are all tests that you do when your electricity connection, you have de-energized it, meaning if there's no electricity. So we call this test dead test. When you are checking continuity test, don't energize these cables. Don't put power inside. It is very dangerous when you do that. So continuity test, it is done under de-energized power. De-energized, meaning there's no power. Continue to follow me, share my videos, and like my videos.